how to redeem a GameStop gift card on the app. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can redeem a GameStop gift card on the app. So in order to redeem a GameStop gift card on app, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and open up a Play Store, and then on the search box go ahead and type in GameStop. Once you locate the GameStop app, then you'll have to install it. Unfortunately, the following application is not available in my region, so I'm going to use a web browser. Now if you're using a web browser, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. Only there will be some slight changes which you can actually locate it. Now first of all, you need to go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the web address bar go ahead and type in gamestop.com. Make sure that you're already logged in from your web browser. So it's very simple procedure to use a gift card or to redeem a gift card on your GameStop gift. So all you have to do is just select the product and then add it to your cart. Once the product has already been added to the cart, go to the cart icon and click on checkout. Next, you'll be asked to provide in your billing details and address all sort of things. If you're sure about it, then click on the continue button. Now it's gonna show you your payment method. So in order to add a gift card, click on add gift card, enter in the card numbers and the PIN associated and click on apply. If the information seems to be valid enough, then you've successfully redeemed a GameStop gift card. So in that way you can redeem a GameStop gift card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.